Hi everybody, welcome to Crafty Aims Workshop, and today I am going to open a box full of crafts, so I can't wait to show you what I've got. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so we're going to open this up and see what I ordered. I got suckered in. Let me just say that. I saw it on either Facebook or Instagram. So, I'm a little late to this game, but it is diamond art. And these pictures look so pretty that I fell in love with them. So, this is what I'm getting. I ordered, so this is the Four Seasons diamond. This is from the Diamond Art Club. It says, do what makes you sparkle. And so this is the Four Seasons. And then I got a second one. Hopefully you can see that. And this is also through the Diamond Art Club. I got it pretty cheap, I think, is why I ordered it. Maybe $15. Let's see. It doesn't say. I think it was $15 a piece, and then I also bought the kit. So the kit has a little tray to put your diamonds in. It comes with the roller thing to smooth down your diamonds. And then looks like, I don't know what some of this stuff is, so I'm going to have to learn how to do this stuff. I don't know. But that looks like the thing you put your diamonds on. Looks like they gave me a couple of them. They've got different ends. Oh, maybe you can do a roll of diamonds. I guess is what that is. A smaller roll or just a single one at a time. I don't know. I have never done this, guys. This will be interesting. And then they also give you little, I'm assuming this goes on these. I don't know how you would get it on. I guess I will find out. Does anybody know what that is? I'm assuming it goes on the sticks here. Here's another one. I'm going to have to watch some videos, somebody else's videos to figure out how I do this. Here's this. This must be the wax you use to put on the diamonds, I'm assuming. Which is different from what I've been seeing. And then here's this. Not sure what that is. Maybe pushing it down that way, or I don't know. Here's a tweezer. They gave me some little stickers. And some little baggies to put these in. Different colors, I'm assuming. Another little tweezer. And then some of these, I don't know. I don't know what that is. A little clamp of some sort. Okay, so that all came in this little bag. And then I also ordered some little containers to put each color in. I didn't realize that other thing came with little bags, but I think I would rather have this anyways. So, organize my colors. How exciting. And that's it. So, let's go ahead and open the picture. Let's see what it looks like. I wonder if they come with more of the wax and stuff. I don't know. We will find it out. I didn't know if it came with everything or if I had to buy it myself, so I just went ahead and got the extra tools. We will see. And all the diamond colors. Oh, how pretty. Look how tiny though. Woo! If you don't have good eyesight. Look how tiny those are. So we will see. These are little round diamonds. And then these are, those look more sparkly to me. So there's that one. Let's look at this. Ooh, that's fabric. I wasn't expecting that. This is really little. I thought it would be a little bit bigger. It's alright. Okay, and I had watched one video and it said just pick up a little bit at a time. Don't take off the whole plastic piece because then it'll dry up your glue and you'll get hair and junk all over it. So just do a section at a time. So that's what I'm going to do. And so there's that. And a little thank you note. How it works, tips and tricks. So, this will be interesting. So that's for that one. I just think that is gorgeous. I'm hoping I make it to where it actually looks like that. And then I'm looking at this. So that is those little foamy things. Those do go on the end, or on the pins, or whatever you want to call them. So that's what that one looks like without the diamonds. This is the Four Seasons one. The one you just saw was the Soulmates. So this is the Four Seasons. So, well, I'm really excited about doing this. I've got to read up. But I just wanted to show you all what I got and ask you guys if you have done these before. And if so, do you have any tips and tricks or videos that you've got that could help me out? So, alright, so maybe in another video I will show you the progress that I'm making on it and give you any tips that I've come across. Maybe I've screwed up somewhere and trying to help you not do the same mistakes that I've done. I might do a video of me doing some of it. I don't know. We'll see. But anyways, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys have a good day, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you've been doing these and you've got some comments for me and some little helps for me, let me know, because I would love to get any amount of help that I can get. So alrighty, thank you all, bye.